I'm going to set up a lifeline. So if you haven't done one before, what you want is very fine yarn. Often people will use something even like dental floss to thread through because it's strong, smooth, and very fine. And I just used this to thread through every one of the stitches, avoiding the stitch markers because you don't want to hook those on. And pulled it right through to this point. Because what that means is, as I work my way along now, if I make a mistake or I realize I don't like what's happening with this next section, I can just take it off my needles, pull it straight back down, and it'll all be just sitting on my lifeline there. So it really, really does help me. And the other thing I'm going to do is you can see that I'm getting a little tight with my stitches. So I've taken one of the needles that I was working with here and I've swapped it onto a longer cord. So I'm now going to start working with the longer cord. So those are the two things that we've done to get set up.